me trying on Asian bathing suits. They know how they are skinny mini. Tell them to turn to the side and they just... So me as a US mid-size girly, a size 10, do we make ourselves a damn? Typically, Asian sizes are a size or two smaller. So I bought this in an extra large, but it's fitting like a large. And look at my stomach lines. What? Where? Exactly, bitch. Maybe plot is where it's at. Checkmate. My body may not look like hers, but I can still pull in this. On screen, it kind of looks like it's a baby blue checkered swimsuit. But it's actually this aqua blue ocean H2O aquafina blue. And then on the straps, we have wood. Faux wood pieces. Just kind of twist and nut into your blades. I will say you can tell it's a little bit small because like the straps, it can slip any moment because it's a little tight. It won't go like all the way in because I have way too much meat. However, compare this to a US Kai extra large. At least when I'm swimming in this, it's not falling off. The straps aren't slipping. Perfectly in place. Surprisingly, my chubs are actually eating up the straps to the point where like it's molding into my arm. It is one with my skin. Imagine my arms as dough just kneading in the straps. You can obviously still see my stomach. I'm not flat like plywood. However, look at my behind. It actually looks like it's carrying some of that burden on my stomach for once. Even the cooch area of my snapping turtle is contained. My flaps aren't being gushed out. I like how this suit is actually a little bit longer versus like the American lips out. It covers your bikini line, which I can appreciate for someone who has marks on her bikini line. We have this scoop just dropping on our back. It doesn't drop off way too low where your second back is like, take note of my big back. Like it's okay. It's not squishy, it's not squeezy. Who would have known? I'd be impressed. With the Asian swimsuit, this could have easily been a nightmare. The padding's nice, concealed. It has like higher quality, even I can feel it. It's not flimsy at all. It has good grip. We're looking like a hot milk. That is my lifelong goal. This is a yes. I look like if Big Bird were a woman and she had a glow up. Miss Big Bird gone through childbirth 5 times. And now trying to find her identity. Listen, Linda, let me suck it in for you, okay? By the way, I have underwear underneath and not nasty. Curvaceous, bodacious. Girl, if I let it all out, this is the perfect pocket for my nuggets. This covers up her belly button. She has a nice little slice just peeking. I look like a slice of cheese. This does not cover half of me. It's a cute bathing suit, but there's just a lot of pieces missing. Also, at first I thought this front piece was supposed to be my booty because of this like crevices. This ruching in the front, like right down the middle part, girl. Down the baloney slice. I thought it was supposed to be for your butt crack, but no. Interesting design. If we didn't have this thicker piece underneath, it would be see-through. Imagine if you didn't wax. So make sure you wax Miss Gorilla down there. This is giving way too much Big Bird energy. I want to look like a cute little Miss Tweety. I need to pass gas, guys. Sorry. The stomach was rumbling. Just gonna be really honest with you guys. With how thin the slice of cheese is over here and how much salami you get on this side, it's just not gonna look the most praising on your body. It's making my tatas look unbalanced, the chesty besties looking blind. I look like an unfinished puzzle. Lives under the sea in a pineapple head. We tried. This is a no. Listen, Linda, if this does not remind you of every main girl antagonist in a K-drama who's about to snatch your man to throw a drink in your face, this is the most Asian swimsuit I've ever seen. In my opinion, it comes off a little fobs. I mean, look how small the waist looks if I really suck it in for you. This is a 3-piece set. I don't know how to describe this. Like a sponge. It's stretchy. The arms look nice and slim. I mean, highly recommend if you want to cover up your arm. This is an extra large and it fits, but then getting the bottoms up was a little tricky. Just saying. I mean, you can tell because the gushers are gushing. Back cookies. Miss Big Back is big back. That's why you have this all over the top piece. Let's just talk about this piece. It gives very like sailor vibe, but also I'm here to read contrast. Imagine you're getting invited onto a yacht to close an offer. You're here to stand on business. The more I look at this, I love how the straps actually sit on my body. It doesn't look too tiny or small. It doesn't make my shoulders look too big either. And then you have the gold buttons. Do look like they're about to pop off any moment now. Again, that sturdiness. Thicker black elastic band underneath. The quality. Man, you're here to sign contracts. The quality is there. And then the design carries over to the bottom. The gold buttons on the little black slits. Even the booty be looking a little lush. Excuse me? The girls look like they've been freshly bathed. I will say it is a size too small. Not a little tight, it's a lot tight. You can tell. I mean, I can't be mad having this over piece because I'm constantly trying to hide it from the sun anyway. Like, it's not a bad mix. It's a functional item. I just need to lose like 1.5 inches off my belly. It might work. It might be the most flattering so far because we do have this piece to cover up the side. And then it kind of cuts you because you have this cardigan to finesse. Call me thin Jin. Even my drumstick legs, like, not that nice, but okay. Pay attention, this is a science project now. Look at this, okay? You have all the junk, not in the trunk, but on the side. You just take this Oh my god, where'd it go? It's like a vacuum. I am so for this. With this top off, you look so sporty. We're here to make the dollar bills, not the fast cash, guys. We are closing on that deal. So this is an extra large. We're gonna put on this skirt together. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is still swimwear. Yes, you'll find something underneath, not your hoo-ha. It looks like a little tennis outfit. And it fits! Wow, I'm actually really shocked. If you're actually gonna try this, I'm just gonna disclaim this. The padding in this one is way too thick. It's good to have that for your own discretion. Just do black when things get a little cold and pointing, but this one sends you a size up. I don't love the color. Now it looks like a cheer outfit, so I guess it's just too big and flappy. It needs that detailed going swimming. The skirt's really cute. It's light, it's pleated, it flows, it kind of gives you a little peekaboo back here. But don't worry, like a little chunky, so thank goodness for our little apron. Longer sleeve, the same swimwear bottom right at your Oreo cookies. I mean, you guys know me, I don't love stripes across because, you know, it gives you a wider effect. But then for this one, for some reason, I don't know if it's the quarter length sleeves or what, it's looking cute. I understand it doesn't look functional as a swimwear. I don't know. So if someone just hopped into the water like this, you may get some looks, you may get some stares like, why not is what I say. It just makes you look so busty. Tiny in the stomach, big at the hips. I do like the fabric on my body. It's like very light and thin and flexible, clearly. Also, by the way, some of these things will be on Poshmark, and don't worry, you see how much her skirt pleats? Because she's so thin inside. Girl, my plates only last here. You could totally see why this can be very attractive. It's not like a cute sexy. It's funny because look at this carrying my back. Let's not tune out the fact that it is still too snug. So let's actually acknowledge that it is squeezing your girl out. Although I really like this and I think it's different, I'm not sure if I'll actually go swimming in this. I keep getting impressed and I didn't expect this at all. So there's this cute little floppy bow that runs across your tatas to the side of you. In the photo it looks a little bit bigger on her than me, but that's okay. I don't know what I was expecting, but I did not expect to like it this much. I honestly think it's the fungal color. It's very flattering. The bow is kind of cringy. Right, it works. It works with the style. It has a tan cream outline and this cutout area. It's like a cute little squishmallow, okay? I mean, I don't think the cutout was necessary. It looks kind of funny from the side. Blob. It's not that ugly from the front. I like that these bathing suits are not high-rise retro style bathing suits where it's a little bit longer. I almost feel like boy shorts on you. It is way more flattering for us thickety chickadees. I hope I'm not reacting or anything. Almost don't want to like this. Layer to it. It makes you feel very girly. I have a lot of stretch marks going on my thighs, especially like the higher I go. But again, with this boy short hipster cutout, it makes me feel a little bit more secure and confident. This faded fungal color, it is so retro. You can go without this little blob that's turning into what the f. I mean, be aware though, this like chunky area might just pounce. That could be a lot to take it. Also though, you have to think about like when you're sitting. Girl, it's like I have my main course stomach and then my appetizer and snack stomach. Cows have 9 stomachs. I have 2. Oh my god, it's like a legit burger. With everything else in consideration, it's cute. It's more coverage. I am so impressed by this Asian swimwear brand. You just have to size up, and thank goodness this brand actually gives you the option for a US large girly. Oh hell yes. Gotta be a little careful here. We're giving a lot out that we should be charging things. I think this is the time in my career where I should start an OF, an only phase. I'm giving it out for free. Might as well start it. Might as well just pay my taxes. I did get this in an extra large. It is so narrow, girl. This spillage is coming out north, east, south, and west. Nice, like waffles. I do like this little swim skirt though. Of course, we have some protection underneath. You do not want to see the front of this imbalance down there. Things are coming in and I'm just a squishy girl down there. So these two are the exact same texture. It's squishy, flexible. There's a clasp back here where you can hook on the fishes. It's this upper strap. It is twisted and twirled in all sorts of ways. Yeah. The chunks, we are threaded, girl. You can tell I'm top heavy. It has a nice little stretch and bounce right here. I like that it covers right around the belly button. You can go a little higher if you want. Oh, dude, look how much that is coming out. Oh my god, it's like popping pimples. So now, watch out Miami. An extra large, but it's definitely smaller than all the extra larges. She looks so fashionable. She looks like she can kill with those legs. I look like I belong in the jungle. She looks so... I look so... There's a difference. I do like the cover up. It's not too long. Nice little slit. It's giving America's Next Top Model. The stripes are very like minimal. It's not like a cringy zebra print. The sarong itself, it looks realistic. I don't know how much animal prints are even in anymore. I'm just not your average animal print type girl. This one looks so minimal. It looks like very light and faded. I was like, oh, I could totally look that sexy. Look like a zebra instead. I don't like it. We're putting this on Poshmark. I think I'm supposed to like this, but I don't. Listen, I think you'll look amazing in this if you were tall. A long torso, long legs. With my stout short body, I'm not doing anyone a favor. I thought the division of color would be so like, kind of sporty. Lifeguard, girl next door, floutless. Just chunky in this, okay? The division of colors right here does not help a stubby girl out. Because I have 3 colors going on, it's not doing me good. The stitching is so like, it's okay, but it throws me off. I don't know. I think it's the color blocking. It does not help my body shape, my body type, or my stubbiness. Look at her hips though. Look at her thighs. Like it cuts her right at this division. Tiny waist, big hips. I have nothing else to add to this. I would like to take myself out of this situation. This is a proper no. I mean, this is cute, but then I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to not be looking like this. She looks so athletic. She looks like a volleyball player. I can't even snap this in place. No. Girl, even my tatas are lopsided. The center is over here, man. There's like this vertical stripe across your shoulder. It's a short sleeve. I think that's like cool to have. I think going swimming in this, if this actually fit, would feel really cool. This convinces me that I'm fit. Imagination can be one's enemy. You know they say if you just keep thinking it, you keep believing it, it comes true. Hasn't happened. The universe is not listening. I love the white banding. I think it just pops the suit. There's banding down here too, but you can't see it because my stomach tends to do that. My apron belly hanging over. It's not too cheeky, which I have been really appreciating. The Asian little booty, small booty, inverted booty. It looks like boy shorts on her, so I think that's the vibe we're going for anyway. This could have been really cute if it was like 2 sizes bigger. Oh my goodness, girl, you better catch me on the flip side. It's still very feminine. All these bathing suits have a very modest but sexy vibe to it. Sometimes you don't need to show a lot. If you are a medium, oh girl. For me though, we are not gonna keep small things. So no, this looks like a suit you can find on Amazon. From afar, you're only really focusing on this dark negative space, which is this. So all of this floral is helping your situation. However, it's making me look top heavy. Maybe we need to open this up a little. Give us something to stare at. I don't know if it did anything. I mean, it's a cute girl. Damn, I did myself dirty. I really did. Double homicide. I didn't expect me to look like that from the side, okay? For a second, I was like, oh, we can finesse. This is way too thick. My stomach is really stretching it. I am looking like a little grandma couch on the side. I don't know. I do know this is not it. Hell no. Once I turn to the side, we're gonna know how many hamburgers and hot dogs I had that day. So now my front looks like my back when my back should be my front. No. Where's my ass? Save yourself the heartbreak. This is absolutely not going on my body again. And that is it for this bathing suit haul. Thanks for watching.